Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations. It's an exciting day today. We have our packages from the REC Foundation. So you can see right here from the REC Foundation, we do have 2 teams going to Worlds. So we have 2 of these packages coming in. And let's go ahead and open these up. Inside of this package should be the coaches' information, the badges, the team badges for the teams, and everything else that one can expect. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what kind of fun goodies that they sent us. I understand they are changing the security aspect this year, so it's something that's going to be beneficial, just to make sure everybody who's there is supposed to be there, or at least registered in some way. So we have a decent amount of stuff here. That's everything left there in the bag. Let's see what we have. So I have a single wristband. We've got a couple lanyards. We do have 2 individuals on each team. Inside this package, I have 4 lanyards. And then, it looks like I have 4 of these as well, so that's pretty sweet. Those are really nice badges. Pretty decent plastic to them. And I'm going to expect it's the exact same thing in the other package for the other team. See what else we have. Oh, the parking pass. That is certainly beneficial for this year to be able to have access to the parking pass. Not have to pay extra for that. So right here it says mentors get wristbands, students in the team get the lanyards with badges. So I'll be wearing this obnoxious thing, so that'll be fun, as opposed to the lanyard. I might just wear a lanyard anyway since we have so many of them. Let's, for the sake of it, open up this other one and see how many more we got on this one. Now I am technically the only mentor, but I do have one of the other parents that will be helping me when we go to Worlds, because it is a lot of stuff to keep track of. And we did do some online talks about different ways to help with that, with radios or walkie-talkies and things like that. Anything else left? Nothing there. Set those aside. It looks like for this team, we have the exact same thing. Big surprise. Mentors get wristbands, students of the team get lanyards with badges. Another parking pass. Then we have, oh, that's interesting. Somehow, in this package, I only have 2. So for the kids in this team, we've got the wristband would be for myself, 2 lanyards, and 2 badges. I'm not entirely sure how we ended up with 4 in the other package and 2 in this package, but looks like I have enough lanyards and badges here for 6 students. That makes things exciting and interesting. I'm pretty sure each team is only registered with 2 people per, but we have extras. Always better to have extra than to not have enough. So, hopefully you learned something. This is certainly a new thing this year, and I imagine everybody else will be getting theirs or already has theirs. Looking forward to seeing everybody at Worlds. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.